right, guys. So question number 20 says select all of the true statements that apply to this function. So it says a linear function is given as 6x plus 2y equal 12. Select all of the true statements that apply to this. So I need to identify the rate of change, the y-intercept, and the x-intercept. All right. So first, let's identify the intercepts because those are the easiest thing to identify. All right. So the y-intercept is when x is 0. So again, y-intercept means that means x equals 0. So that's what a y-intercept means. X is going to be equal to 0. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to replace 0 for my x. But if I replace 0 for my x, I know that 0 multiplied by 6 is just 0. So again, if I replace 0 for my x, guys, all right, this 6x is now gone, all right, because 0 times 6 is 0, okay? So I'm left with 2y equal 12. So now I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to break up the couple to get my y-intercept, which is 6 divided by 2, or 12 divided by 2, which is 6. All right? So the y-intercept for this one would be 6. Okay? So now you're going to find the x-intercept because those are the easiest things to find. All right? So the x-intercept is not when x is 0, but when y is 0. So that means that if my y is 0, that means I have no y's. So that means my y is gone. Okay? So I would end up having 6x equal 12. I break up the couple by dividing by 6. So your x is 12 divided by 6, which is 2. Alright? So your x-intercept is going to be 2. Alright? Now we're going to find our slope. Okay? So to find your slope, I'm going to try to go ahead and rearrange this equation into point slope or to slope intercept form, which is y equal mx plus b. Okay? So for my equation here, to get it to look like that form, firstly, I would need to move the x to the other side. Alright? So to move the positive 6x to the other side, I would subtract 6x on both sides. This gets cancelled and we have 2y is equal to, can I subtract negative 6x from 12? No, because they're not like terms. But I'm going to rewrite it as a negative 6x and a positive 12. Alright? Now we're going to break up the couple by dividing everything by 2. Alright? So the 2's are gone and you have y equal negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Rewrite the x. 12 divided by 2 is positive 6. Alright? So now it's in slope intercept form and we know m represents your slope. So your m or your slope would be negative 3. Alright? So my slope would be negative 3. So the answers for this would be C, B, C. So again, guys, just like that.